Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a platform where we can access hundreds of AI models in just one place. We all are familiar with these large language models, LLMs, such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and we take subscription one by one, right? But there is such a platform from where we can access thousands of models with a single pay or without even paying. We can also use free model. So the platform is Openrouter. So let's go to the Google and type here Open Router, and then we'll just click here. And yeah, this is the interface for the Openrouter platform. And first we have to do sign up. I already had signed up, so I'll just go with Google sign up and choose an account. Mhm. I agree to the terms and continue. So yeah, my account is signed in here. I'll do this later. Just where did you first share your open go to Fraser College. Mhm. Go to dashboard. Okay, so yeah, this is the interface. So if we go to these models, then we can see there are thousands of models, and we here in the left side we can apply the filter, such as different models have different kind of modalities, right? Input and output. Some models only have a text and image, whereas some models have text, image, audio, video. They support all, right? So if we are if we are not looking for particular, if we are looking for particular video only, so we'll just select the video one, and then here in series we can find models names such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, and if we click the more, then we can see hundreds of models here. So let's go with GPT right now. We selected the video and then GPT does the, it does not show any video generating models, uh, but let's go with Gemini. So for Gemini, it is showing Google Gemini 3.7 Flash, and another one. And here also in the right side, we can see the token. So for this one, 4.86 billions of tokens. Um, like this. So here is the prompt pricing option. Here it has been selected $10, that's why it's showing all, right? If we reduce, if we are only looking for the free one, let's go to free. I think there are not any. So for video one we need some, we have to pay some charges. So let's go with this one. So it is showing these two models. So yeah, the next thing is the first thing is this, and we can also see the rankings of different apps that other people are using. So this is AI model rankings, live LLM rankings by real old usage. So here we can see the top models, weekly usage of models across open router. So we can see the graph, and this pink one, others, the section. Let's go with the green. DeepSeek Vivo Flash was used most. And this one is the pink one is others. Uh, yeah, like this. And here is also leaderboard, which shows which are the most popular models on Openrouter. Top models by task for classification. Claude Opus 5 was used most, whereas for content writing, the same. No, like Claude Opus 4.8, this one. And for workflow execution, people are mostly using Claude Opus 5, like this. And here we can see for customer support, people are mostly using Gemini 3 Flash. And for question answer knowledge, people are using GPT 5.6 model, like this. We can see in which sector people are using which tool, and so which tool is performing the uh, better than the other, so we can also select based on that. Looking at this table, so it is also it has also shown cost per session. And here we can go to market share of models, like which model is most used. uh, it's number one, um, Openrouter. After that, Google, OpenAI, Quinn, Anthropic, like this. And if we want fastest models, then we can select here fastest models, like this. So yeah, there are so many things that we can do with this platform. So next thing I like to talk about is that with a single API key, we can have access to thousands of models from this Open Router platform. So what we have to do is we have to go this our personal account section, and then just go to credit section. And here we have to uh here I don't have any balance right now. I have in another account. So what we do is all models are not free, so but it will be cheaper if we prefer to use different models in different um for different kind of tasks. So what we have to do is we just have to go to add credits, and we can add credits, and the credits will be deducted depending upon our model cost and the request that we make. So here it says default key. We can also generate new key. Here we go new key, and we can give it a name like uh, suppose we have one project, YT project, and we are using this API for that project. And then let's create. And remember one thing, this is our key. It should be we should copy this, and we should paste it and keep it in a safe place, because we cannot it has written here, um, please copy it now and write it down somewhere safe. You will not be able to see it again. We will not be able to see this key again. So and we should not share this key with other people, because with this key other people can use your credits, and your amount will be deducted. So we should not share this key, and we should store it in a safe place, because we will not be able to get it again. So yeah. So and what we have to do is how can we choose different models, is that if we copy and paste this in our code, this key API key in our code, and later on we can go to I'll show you. This is model. uh, Suppose we want to use uh, how can we use different models is I'll show you that one. um where is series? Mm, here is series, and this is GPT. Suppose I want to use this Luna Pro model from GPT. Um, what I will do, I'll click here, and I'll go to try this model section here, and here we can find the full model name. And here is Python code 2. um, um, what we can do is this is the model name. This is the model name. So we will copy it and paste it in our code, like this model. Use this model like this, and with the single API key, we can access thousands of models, but we just have to change the model name. So yeah, um, That's how we can access thousands of models from this open router um, platform. So yeah, and from this section, this leaderboard section, you can also analyze for depending upon your tasks, which one should I use, which model is performing better for a particular task, such as for data extraction. Claude Opus 4.8 is used most, so you can analyze and select from this. So yeah, that's all I have for now today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.